Hello, I'm Dr. Nirmala Lahoti, practicing neurology in Delhi Multispeciality Clinic, Gagan Vihar. Today, I'm going to discuss with you all a very important topic, that is epilepsy in women. So, we know it is very common to have epilepsy in women, and those women, they have too many questions in their mind. Can I become pregnant? Can I deliver? Can I have a normal baby? So, I'll just discuss briefly how it is challenging to treat women with epilepsy, but not very difficult. So, we all know from puberty onwards, there are hormonal changes in women, and so they have certain problems like PCOS due to some drugs like sodium valproate, which is being used for treating epilepsy. So, it is not very difficult, just that you should be aware and you should consult your doctor regarding that. Then there is no difficulty in conceiving. One usually conceive like any other patient, both male and female, they can have normal fertility. But if someone is on anti-epileptic drug, the women should always consult and plan the delivery, pregnancy. So they should inform the doctor beforehand, keep the obstetrician in loop, and the treatment should be modified while you are being prepared for pregnancy. As we all know that there are certain anti-epileptic drugs which have a teratogenic effect. That means they can bring some problems with the fetus in their development. So they can have some fetal defects. So one should plan the pregnancy. The medicine should be minimized, and certain drugs which are safe in pregnancy should be given to the reproductive age group female. During the pregnancy, once you have conceived, you should visit your doctor regularly so that the seizures are well controlled, as seizures during pregnancy can be risky for the mother and the fetus. The certain drugs like sodium valproate and carbamazepine, phenytoin, these are unsafe in pregnancy. So, if these drugs can be removed and safer medicines like levetiracetam or lamotrigine can be started before the pregnancy is happens, and also they may go in for cesarean section for the delivery, but that is not a difficult case. Once you have delivered, then you can normally breastfeed the child, because very little of your drug is being secreted in the breast milk. So breast feeding is not to be avoided in women on anti-epileptic drugs. So we all should know that epilepsy is a treatable condition. It is not to be, one should not be ashamed of having this problem. It is treatable, and being a female, you can study properly, you can get married, you can work, you can be employed, and you can have a normal delivery and a normal healthy baby. Thank you.